Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, May 7th. I hope you are ending your week very well and that you are excited and ready to get going today. All right? All right, we're going to start off with today's warm-up. Let me make this bigger. Present. All right, so what is the value of the 6 and 36,592? So what is the value of the 6 and 36,592? I'm going to give you about 40 seconds to come up with the answer to that. The value, what does that 6 mean? It doesn't just mean 6. What is the value that it holds? All right, so on my paper, I would have written out the number that we're looking at. And I want to know the value of the 6, so I'm underlining that. All right, remember each digit has a value. It doesn't necessarily just mean 2 or 9 or 5 or 6 or 3. This 2 is in the ones place, so it actually does mean just 2. This 9, though, happens to be in the tens place. So it doesn't just mean 9, it means 9 tens, and 9 tens are 90. This 5 is in the hundreds place. So it doesn't just mean 5 hundreds. It doesn't just mean 5, it means 5 hundreds, which is 500. This 6 is in the one thousands place. It's in the 1,000s place. And so it means 6 1,000s. So the way we draw ones are like that. Oh, sorry. The way you draw tens are our 10 sticks, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We draw hundreds like this. And all of these things we did in second grade. And when you were in second grade, you also should have learned that the big cube block was 1,000. So we had 6 of those because this was 1,000. And so if I count up all 6 of them, that would be how I get to 6,000. So 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. And this one is in the 10,000s place, which means it's not just 3, it is 3 10,000s. So 3 tens is 30. But again, it's not just tens, it's 10,000, so it's 30,000. All right, so this number is 36,592. And the 6 in this number means 6,000. Which number is greater, 36,592 or 35,962? I want to go ahead and give you maybe a minute and a half to figure out which one is greater, and then answering this most important question, why? Why is that number greater? Which number is greater, 36,592 or 35,962, and why? Okay, so if I'm doing this, I'm going to write my numbers on my paper. 36,592 and 35,962. When I'm comparing to see which number's bigger, I start with my biggest values. And this is our thousands place. So thousands are naturally bigger than ones. This one is our 10,000s. 10,000s. And both of these numbers have a 3 in the 10,000s place. So that means it's 3 tens, 30,000. Both of them have 30,000, so they're equal in that sense. This one is our 1,000s place. So that'll be our next biggest. All right. This one has 6,000 and this one has 5,000. Which one's bigger? Those are not equal. So the thousands place, the 1,000s place will tell us the answer. And it tells us that 36,592 is greater than 35,962. And so remember, the alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So he opens his mouth toward 36,592. And again, the reason why, so to answer this question, is 36,592 is greater because of the 1,000s digit. All right. All right, for today's learning, we are going to add multi-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. So what we did yesterday, but guys, this time we're going to use a lot bigger of numbers. All right, so before we do that, we're going to watch a quick video.
Ants above ground, plus 911 ants underground. 7 plus 1 is 8, 9 plus 1 is 10. Each one of them is my special insect friend. 0 stays on the floor, the 100 heads next door. The sum is getting close, so I add once more. 4 plus 5 is 6, plus 9 is 15. My little brother thinks they're a good source of protein. We mathematicians add with precision. And 985 hens are outside. To find out how many hens are in the coop, we gotta know how to add and regroup. 9 and 5's 14, right for the 10 carries. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 8 is 17. Keep the 7, the 100 regroup. 2 plus 9 is 11, cock-a-doodle-doo. We mathematicians add with precision. Subtraction, the inverse operation. Take either added and subtract from the sum. If you get the other added, your work is done. When presented with a triple digit problem, number rockers always check after we solve.
All right, hold on 1 second. So, what I want you to do today for your show what you know is I want you to add these two numbers together, 675 plus 346. Take a picture of your work and send it to me. You can go ahead and pause the video right now so you can write down the problem and do it. All right, guys, so yesterday you learned how to add using the standard algorithm. Today we are going to continue adding using the standard algorithm, but with bigger numbers. So before we do that, I want us to review our place value. So looking at this number, 98,371, what is the value of the 9? Think about our place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000s, 10,000s. So if that's 10,000s, that is 9 10,000s. 9 tens are 90,000s, 90,000. The 9 has a value of 90,000. What about the 3? What is the value of that 3? Remember, ones, tens, hundreds. That 3 is in the hundreds place. That 3 means 300. All right, looking at that 7. That doesn't mean just 7. What does that 7 represent? That 7 is in the ones, tens place, so it's 7 tens, and 7 tens are 70. Last but not least, oh, sorry, I missed one. The 8, let's look at that 8. What is the value of that 8 in this number? That 8 is in the ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000s place. So 8 ones is 8, but thousands, 8,000s. And then looking at the last number, what is the value of the 1? The 1 itself is just 1 because it is in the ones place, so we only have 1, 1. So real quickly, I'm going to solve this problem. 5,784 plus 4,592. 5,000, so on my paper I'm writing 5,784. And I line up my numbers right underneath. 4,000 goes in the 4,000s place. 592. And we're adding. So I put my symbol right there. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 17's too big because really it's 80 and 90, which makes that 170. And the 100 needs to go up here. So I'm regrouping into my hundreds place. The hundreds place gets another 100. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. And really this is 100, 700, 800. 800 plus 500 is 1,300, 1,300. So the 300 goes here, but the 1,000 goes up here to the thousands place. So 1,000 plus 5,000 is 6,000. 6,000 plus 4,000 is 6,000 plus 4,000. 6 plus 4 is 10. So it's 10,376. 10,376. All right. You guys are going to do the next problem. Oop, let me get steadier for you. You're going to have 2 minutes to solve it. Ready, begin. Uh-oh, I did not mean to lose that, so I'm gonna give you about 10 more seconds because that's what was left on the clock about. I was just trying to prep myself. My bad, guys. If you haven't finished, of course, if you'd like to and you don't want to see what I'm gonna do next, you can pause the video. But if you would like to go ahead and just see how you're doing, guys, not stressing about it because it's your practice, all right? Again, it's a 4th grade standard. I'm just trying to give you some extra advantage next year. So don't stress about it, all right? Just see if you were starting off correctly. So you should have written the equation. All right, and then 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. I'm already going to regroup into the tens place because 12 is too big, so I need to group it over here. So the 10 goes up into the tens place. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 0 is 10. So I'm going to put the 0 here, and I'm going to carry the 1 into the hundreds place because really this is 90 plus the 10 that we brought over. 90 plus 10 is 100, so I have to carry the 100 up here. All right, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. So carry my 1. Because really it's 800 plus 200 is 1,000. 1,000 plus 100 is 1,100. So I carry the 1,000 up here in my thousands place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 6, well, 6 plus 6 is 12, and 8 is 2 more, so that is 14. I have nowhere else to carry anything, so I can just write 14 just like that. Oops. Sorry. So I have 14,102. And again, this would have been, even if I looked at it different, 7,000 plus 6,000 is 13,000 plus 1,000 is 14,000. So there we go, 14,102. All right, looking at this problem, all right, I'm going to do this one, 34,568 plus 48,392. Watch me. See if you can tell me what to do on the screen before I do it. So I'm going to write it down on the paper, 48,392. I hope you are bossing me around right now and you are saying, Miss Flint, you need to add your ones place. You need to add your 8 plus your 2. That makes 10. Miss Flint, 10 is too big. You better carry that 1 up into the tens place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. Miss Flint, 16 is too big. You better carry that 1 up into the hundreds place because really we know that's 160. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. I don't need to carry anything there. Moving on. 4 plus 8 is 12. Ooh, 12 is too big. So I carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. The answer to this problem, hopefully you came up with it also, is 82,960. All right, it is your turn. You have 2 minutes to solve this problem. right, so now that the time is up again, you're welcome if you really want to try and finish this on your own and see if you got it. But if you'd like to just follow along and see if you're at least starting it off right, you can look along with me. Hopefully you said 7 plus 6, 7 plus 9 is 16, and you carried the 1 into the tens place. Hopefully you then said 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 2 is 12, and you carried the 1 into the hundreds place. Hopefully you then looked at this and said 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 4 is 14, and you carried the 1 into the 1000s place. Hopefully you then said 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 8 is 18, and you carried the 1 into the 10,000s place. Hopefully you said 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, and we don't have anywhere else to carry, so I'm just going to write 11 right there. 118,426 is your answer. All right, we're going to do another problem. Clearing off my board. 58,919, I'm writing it on my paper. Plus 67,238. 9 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16, so 8 plus 9 is 17. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 9 plus 2 is 11. 7 plus 8 is, 7 plus 7 is 14, so 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Carrying the 1 into the 10,000s place. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Nowhere to carry that to, so we leave it right there. 126,157. It is your turn to solve this problem. You have 2 minutes. You have about a minute left. All right, and that was your time again. If you want to continue to finish it on your own, pause me and you can see what happens at the end. If not, check and see how you did with me. All right, so I already went ahead and wrote it on the board. 3 plus 9 is 12. Carry my 10. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Carry the 100. Carry the 1 into the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. There's nothing to carry. Moving on. 5 plus 8 is 13. I'm going to carry the 1 into the 10,000s place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. There's nowhere to carry anything else, so I just write 12 like it is. The answer should have been 123,992. All right, your secret code for today's assignment is that this is National Family Week, guys. So spend time with your family to make sure they know how much you love them. So this is National Family Week. Make sure that you are, once you finish up your assignment today, you are spending that extra time with your family. All right? Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.